Congratulations. That's something to Lotuki jela daramsala le chosani kiranzo de pegi Giuseppe today thank tangbudela and so tuzuteni choosing ringa de ngondong nyamdom chewadela and tuji chena shui. Thank you for coming and taking your time out and come along to this first ever Tibetan Artist Festival. Taking your time out. And then also I want to acknowledge all the formless beings who might be hanging around with you. So if they come around, then please acknowledge them. And in Yegi Ye Chola, Ye Chopo Yingba, Yingsela. In Yegi Yun Chola, Ye Chopo Sawa, Ngawala. I'm going to play my first tune. I'm going to play a song called Zomo. And I wrote this song to, I think it goes along with the night. It probably goes along with the poster that the first Tibetan Artist Festival has created, the Pangden here. It's to acknowledge all the mothers. You know, we as an artist, we brag about when we get a residency in certain place. You know, like we talk about it and be proud of it and all this. But we forget to talk about the first residency we ever took, the 9 months that we stayed in the mother's womb. So this is for all the mothers. The premier Tsangmada Amla Tsangmalai, Shedi Mingla Zomos Sigiya. Ani Samre Nadugi Norni Pucha Yak butter tea like the Dig Tegoroa. Ani yak meat lada yak Tsangma yak la attribute che and did the Zomo Yamidang Shado. And this shady Zomo la Kiran Kana use Namke thing la Yube, Kame thing la Yube, Dawe thing la Yube, Sembe Nang la Yubes, Zomo la Kiran Kana use, Amala Kiran Kana use, and that's Chenny. She simple chi. Ani so ame samotang mewe na ani amla tenrochi ani amla ki chedo kiras shuma pangi chona ani de kiras ki lado khaba yarwa andi ki shuma par na rochi. na chui te la yu na mei te la yu na lung ki na la yu na do mo la ma la do mo la ma la. Thank you. To the chair now. Okay. Last night I dreamt that I was a butterfly. A butterfly fleeting and fluttering about freely. Now I don't know if it was I who dreamt that I was a butterfly or if I am the butterfly dreaming that I'm a human. Singing for you guys. Chena, ani sangi je chochi. Yegi ye chola, ye toving ba. And ye chola. Chena.